This video will show you how to clean your receiver in the canal hearing aid and change its battery. To begin, remove the dome from the end of the receiver. This package has new wax guards. Remove one. You will see the new one on one end and the removal tool on the other. Gently push and pull the old wax guard out. Turn the tool over, push and pull to insert the new one. Dispose of the stick. Now you are ready to replace the dome onto the end of the receiver. You can also use your brush to gently brush away at the hearing aid microphone ports. To change the battery on the hearing aid, open the battery door and remove the old battery. Dispose of it. Gently pull the tab off of the flat or positive side of the new battery. The other side has a gentle ridge or elevated surface. Place that down into the battery door. Slide the door shut. Your hearing aid is now ready for use.